Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 987 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited about the product that I'm trying out. It's from the brand Sol de Janeiro. It's the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cupuacu Lip Butter. And this is a product that I got in my October 2020 BoxyCharm box. And it's one of the products that I am most excited about, mostly just because I love the brand Sol de Janeiro. It's known for their cult favorite Bum Bum Cream, which I absolutely love as well. I also use their body wash. I think it's from that same Bum Bum Cream, same kind of scent body wash. I use that every day. So I love the Sol de Janeiro products, and I didn't even know that they made lip balms. And I love lip balms, and the fact that this is also tinted makes it that much better. So I got this in the shade Soul Mate. And when I was looking this up on the Sol de Janeiro website, I saw that it comes in 3 different shades, and it retails for $20. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, sustainably sourced, and made in the USA. So all of that sounds awesome, and I love the packaging on it. It is so pretty. Twists up like a lipstick. So let me start out with a swatch. So that looks like it's going to be a really pretty kind of brick reddish orange nude shade. And my lips right now are feeling so dry. What else is new? My lips are always dry. So I'll really be able to tell if this is hydrating. So let's see how it is. Oh my gosh, this looks so pretty. It does give a noticeable change in color to the lips, so it's not a tiny tint. Like, there is noticeable color to my lips. There's a little bit of transparency to it, but it still looks like even full color all over my lips. And as you saw, so quick and easy to apply. It says that this is supposed to have the scent of dulce de leche, but I don't really get much of a smell from this at all. Like, to me it seems unscented for the most part, but it really is hydrating. So it feels like a really nice lip balm as well, but then it looks like a pretty lipstick. It has that cream-like finish, not too matte, not too shiny. And I know it really hydrated my lips because when I first applied this, all of the dry patches on my lips is where it clung to. But now it looks completely smooth, even. There's no dry patches. There's no texture to my lips. So I'm very happy with it. It's a beautiful formula, beautiful color, so quick and easy to apply, so comfortable on my lips. So what else could I ask for? I'm so glad that this product from Sol de Janeiro did not disappoint. My love for this brand continues. Let me know in the comments down below if you have tried this product or any other products from Sol de Janeiro and what your thoughts are on them. And let me know which ones are your favorites, because this just makes me want to get even more from them. They are not a very inexpensive brand, but I just find that their products are so worth it. I don't know, I'm just so obsessed with this brand. And so I love that I can get the products in BoxyCharm for a great deal. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.